someone's out there? Just keep watch. No, seriously. You think that they're watching us right now? If they were, we'd be dead. But what if they're just setting us up? Trying to figure out how to kill us? What if they're aiming at us right now? Just about to pull the trigger? You're one fucked up, cabrón. Oh, he's looking at me through his scopes. His finger on the trigger. Please, if you're out there, pull the fucking trigger. He's driving me nuts. Any second now, I could be dead.
I'll find out and check it out! On my way! Take me a sit rep! Check it out! Check it out! Yes, sir!
Get me a cigarette. On my way. What's going on? I'll find out. Get me a cigarette. Check it out. On my way. Yes, sir. Get going and check it out. Get going and check it out.
Rolling.